Quip Electric Toothbrush Head for electric brush 3 packs, toothbrush heads only. Adds delight to your daily toothbrush routine to guide good brushing habits from morning to bedtime. Use for regular brushing and maintain a clean, healthy mouth. Refill replaces worn-out toothbrush head to keep teeth clean. Brushes created by dentists and designers with all the guiding features teeth need. Brush with timed sonic vibrations and guiding pulses. American Dental Association accepted. Soft-Bristle Brush Head Refill, pack of 3, compatible with all quip electric toothbrushes flexible with tongue scraper on back. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent cleaning if teeth. I have been using this product for over a year and would not go back to any other toothbrush. Powerful but gentle at the same time.